Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Both these appeals are arising out of the common impugned order dated 11/03/2022 passed by the High Court of Delhi in writ petition criminal number 1808 of 2021 and criminal miscellaneous number 2442 of 2021 filed by the appellant's original petitioners, whereby the High Court has dismissed the same. Para. The writ petition criminal number 1808 of 2021 was filed by the appellants Abhishek Banerjee and Rujira Banerjee seeking quashing of the summons dated 10/9/2021 issued to them by the respondent ED under section 50 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, hereinafter referred to as the PMLA, and seeking further direction against the respondent not to issue any summons under section 50 of the said act to the appellants for their appearance in New Delhi rather than their hometown place of domicile, that is Kolkata. The criminal miscellaneous number 2442 of 2021 was filed by the appellant Rujira Banerjee seeking quashing of the complaint dated 13/9/2021 filed by the respondent ED against her for the offence under section 174 of Indian Penal Code and for quashing the order dated 18/9/2021, 116/2024, 9 SCR Digital Supreme Court reports passed by the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate CMM Patiala House, New Delhi, taking cognizance of the complaint as also the order dated 30/9/2021 summoning her passed by the said court. Para. The facts in the nutshell are that an FIR RC bearing number RC0102 came to be registered by the CBI ACB Kolkata on 27/11/2020 for the offences under section 120B and 409 of IPC and section 13 within bracket 2 R/W 13 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, hereinafter referred to as the PC Act, in respect of alleged illegal execution and theft of coal taking place in the leasehold areas of Eastern Coalfields Limited ECL by one Anup Mazi alias Lala with the active connivance of certain employees of ECL. Based on the said FIR on 28/11/2020, an ECIR bearing number 17 HIU 2020 came to be registered by the respondent at their head investigative unit situated at New Delhi. Para. During the course of investigation of the FIR in respect of theft of coal and illegal excavation being done by the criminal elements in the leasehold area of ECL, a large number of vehicles, equipments used in the illegal coal mining and its transportation was seized. It was also found that the said case involved money laundering to the tune of rupees 1300 crores. According to the respondent, ED, one of the accused, Vikas Misra, was arrested on 16/3/2021 and another accused, Inspector Ashok Misra of Bankwara Police Station, was arrested on 3/04/2021, who had become part of illegal coal mafia and had helped in laundering several hundred crores of rupees. It was also found during the course of investigation that Inspector Ashok Kumar Misra had allegedly received rupees 168 crores in just 109 days from the co-accused Anup Maji to be delivered to his political bosses, including co-accused Vinay Misra. The said rupees 168 crores were allegedly transferred through vouchers to Delhi and overseas. Para. On 22/7/2021, the respondent issued summons to the appellant number 1 under section 50 of PMLA seeking his personal appearance on 3/8/2021 in New Delhi with the documents sought for. Again on 04/08/2021, another summons were issued to the appellant number 1 seeking the same documents as sought in summons dated 22/7/2021 for remaining present on 12/8/2021 in New Delhi. The appellant number 2 was also issued summons on 04/08/2021 under section 50 of PMLA for her personal appearance in New Delhi on 13/8/2021 along with the documents records stated in the said 2024-9 SCR 117 Abhishek Banerjee and others versus Directorate of Enforcement summons. Both the appellants did not remain present as directed and furnished their respective replies on 12/8/2021 seeking time to comply with the said summons. The respondent again issued summons on 18/8/2021 requiring the appellant number 1 to remain present in New Delhi on 6/9/2021 and appellant number 2 to remain present in New Delhi on 1/09/2021. The appellant number 2 replied to the summons dated 18/8/2021 requesting the respondent to examine her at Kolkata as there was a functional office of the respondent in Kolkata and the alleged cause of action had arisen in West Bengal. The appellant number 1 in due compliance to the summons dated 18/8/2021 appeared before the respondent ED on 6/09/2021 at New Delhi. However, he was again issued summons on the same day seeking his personal appearance along with the documents in New Delhi on 08/09/2021. The appellant number 1 did not appear before the respondent, however submitted a reply on 08/09/2021 requesting for 4 weeks time to collect the documents sought. Stop.